Terus mereka terus stres. Karena tiruannya seperti Skor 69. Eras 9 minutes and 26 seconds. Terus nomor 7 mereka terus stres. Wala. Patak. Timeout Maroon. Remaining time 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Score 68-59 in favor of Maroon. Okay, get ball. Remaining time 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Kasi yung bola. Okay, pinapatan po yung bola. Akyatan. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Into the goal. 3 points. Tutugo, to the top. Tutugo, towards the press. Wala. Kala by Papa. Violet. Macau. Tutugo. Nawala pang bola. 8 minutes, 39 seconds. Tutugo. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, Akyatan, 2 points. Tutugo to Patak, ibigay sa press. Wala. Ibigay sa press. Nakakaroon foul. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 20. Substitution. Pasay, pagkakas sa press. Short. Akyatan naghahanap. Akyatan nawala bola. Akyatan again. Tutugo to Pagkas atake to Makasay naghahanap. 2 points dahil Makasay. Tutugo pagkol. Wala. Tutugo again. Jersey number 7. Isileta. 15 cherry shot clock. It's a line ball. Macau 2 points. Jersey number 25. Akyatan. Macau. Tangerban. Macau again. Makasay. It's a 2 point. Exactly 7 minutos. So, 75-65. 10 for B. For Violet. Akyatan. Sige, success number 20. Ipinakol, wala. Tutugo. Wala pa rin. Sugalit na kami ng foul. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 20. Akyatan. Akyatan. Naghahanap. 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 A Ruedi. Pituga. Mula ang unang tira. 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Timeout, Maroon. Remaining time 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Score 75-66 in favor of Maroon. Maroon, may isa na lang po kayo timeout. Wala pa po si Marky, di pa po umibig. Ay, pala! Okay! Pagkakapay, sana maulit-ulit. Jersey number 7, Isleta. Nakuha ng pakasahit. Pakasahit, block by Akiatan. Isleta. Pakasahit, Pitugo. Pakasahit, Pitugo. 2 points. Jersey number 35. 2 points by jersey number 25, Matias. Pitugo, jersey number 7. Bola. Through a chance. 2 points by Akiatan. Fifteen shot clock.